Hi everybody, it's Ipsy Bag time. So I just want to take a couple minutes and go through my Ipsy Bag. You're actually going to see me applying the makeup for that I got in my Ipsy Bag, and then also just kind of my regular everyday makeup. So I'm just really excited to share this with you. I love sharing my Ipsy Bags with you, and I hope that you like this format of me kind of like trying them on and letting you know what I think. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription service where you get 5 deluxe size samples, sometimes full size samples. And I just think it's great because you don't need so much full size makeup because you're never gonna finish it. So I think that sample sizes are just, I don't know, for me, it's perfect. If you're interested in learning more, there'll be a link in the description box where you can find out some more info, as well as links to all the products that you see me doing. So let's get right into the trying on of this makeup, shall we? Okay, so the first thing that I am going to try is this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Face Primer. So this says it is supposed to be mattifying. So let's see how this works. I mean, I don't typically get very shiny, so I don't know if I really need a mattifying primer, but we'll see. It does go on very smooth. It does not seem to be one of those ones that looks like it might pill up at all. So nice, it's smoothing, feels good. I like it. Okay, so now that I've kind of done my face, I am going to do my eyes. Now, I got this M Princess Loose Pigment eyeshadow in the color Pretty Petal, and I know that this is just going to be something that is going to make a mess, but it is what it is. And I don't know if I'm not typically using a giant brush like this, but I got this Luxie 140 Detail Taper Blending Brush, so I figured I'm gonna give this a try. So I gotta open this up on top of something because I know it is going to make a mess. All right, so here we go. Very shiny, can you see that? It is nice. I also really like this brush. It's very dense. And I feel like if I was using it differently, it would, I mean, not that it's bad for this, but it really, can you see that? It gives a, I mean, I did not put on any eye primer because I'm trying to make this a fairly light look because I'm, you know, but I think that you could really put a glitter primer underneath this and really make this pow, because if you were going for like a night out or something. So if you can see that there, hopefully that is picking up well. It's actually very nice. So let me just curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Oh, and eyeliner. Yeah, duh. Okay, so now onto my lips. I got the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the color Babe Alert. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of liquid lipsticks like this because my lips are kind of dry to begin with, and then I feel that these are also very drying. But I'm going to put it on and I'm gonna test it out. And what I sometimes do is throughout the day, I'll put a little bit of gloss on top, and that usually keeps like because this stays on, you know, it's like glued to your lips. So I can get the color, and then if I put like a sheer gloss on top, it's usually pretty nice. So let's see here. This also has one of those teardrop wands, which is really nice as well. So let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, so the color is nice. It is like, I think this is a perfect color for this kind of everyday look that I am going for. You know, I'm just kind of heading out to a barbecue at my work, so nothing super fancy. So I think this will be just kind of a nice, easy look for the outdoors. The last thing that I did get in my Ipsy Glam Bag was this super fine sea salt face glow. I don't even know what it is. I guess it's a face scrub. I haven't used it yet. But it says to blend the packet with water, massage into face, let it rest for 5 minutes, rinse and pat dry. So I guess it's an exfoliator kind of slash face mask. So that's what it is. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. I would love to hear. Put it in the comments below. Have you tried any of these products out? Do you like them? Do you hate them? I want to hear your opinion. I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if this is something that you enjoyed. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.